In the BMW 520i, the risk of injury is low. Survival space is practically unaffected, although deformation does extend into the passenger cell. The Mercedes 200 provides the perfect example of a rigid passenger cell. The steering wheel and pedals are only pushed back slightly. In spite of a heavy head impact with the steering wheel, the driver's injury risk is low. In the new Audi 100, which has the Procon 10 safety system as standard, the steering wheel is pulled away from the driver on impact. The risk of injury is slight, and there's practically no encroachment on the survival space in the passenger compartment. 3 of the new candidates, the new Audi 100, the BMW 520i and the Mercedes 200, exhibited impressive passive safety in this test. In all the other cars, the impact could have caused severe and in some cases possibly fatal injuries. One thing emerged clearly. In every single case, the driver's head hit the steering wheel. This impact would have been prevented by an airbag, which is an additional but not insignificant finding resulting from the Auto, Motor und Sport crash tests. Now, it's up to all car manufacturers to review their thinking on passive safety and in some cases to redefine their standards.